COVID-19 is telling you to take care of your immunity system. For what more high time are you waiting for to take care of your health? I am seeing people still not doing regular exercises, not doing yogas, not taking care of themselves, not doing anything to improve their health or giving any efforts to improve their physical health. In spite of all this that you see around you, in spite of hearing all the news that you get from your friends that how they are suffering once they are being attacked by COVID-19, still, in spite of all this, people are not taking care of their health. This is high time that you take care of your immunity system. All those who are suffering from COVID-19 are somewhere having lower immunity system. If they would have taken care of their bodies right from their childhood or right from their youth or before few years, then they will not have faced what they have faced today. So if you start today of taking care of your health, then maybe it's possible that after few years when something else like COVID-19 will come in this world, you will be ready to face it. You have been gifted by God a body which enables you to feel this world, to make yourself exist in this world, and it's your responsibility to take care of your body. Even if you stay at home, even if you don't go outside, you can do all kinds of exercise without even going to gym. You can do exercise on your terrace. So what if you can't go to gardens or parks or gyms? There are a lot of videos available on YouTube which teaches you how to do exercise, how to do yoga, how to do meditation, and how to do all kinds of breathing exercise called pranayam. What kind of food you eat, you need to have control over it, because after all, you are the one who will decide how you are going to live. I have seen people watching news about COVID-19 with a bowl of snacks in their hand. Investing in your health is the best investment. People have come up with so many plans in which they get more returns on their investment. But the highest return that a human being could get on their investment is due to their investment, due to their efforts in their health. Both physical and mental health needs to be taken care of in such critical times. Along with doing your work, you can do something which can increase your immunity power. In spite of having so much work to do, you can at least put good input inside your mind that will help you to improve your mental health, because after all, mind and body are connected. If you don't want to take care of your health, you can do exercise to teach your children to take care of their health. There are people who doesn't care of their own body, but they are very much careful about their children. So this is the best time you set an example of how to be health conscious, how to increase awareness regarding one's health. If you are not able to move out of single room, still you can do several types of exercise even by sitting on a single chair. You just need to click on your mobile phone and search for the type of exercise that is suitable for you to do. Don't let COVID-19 win over us. COVID-19 enters those bodies who are having low immunity power. It's our duty to keep our immunity system intact and maintain it in such a way that we are not being harmed due to the virus like COVID-19. Take care of yourself, people. Thank you and have a good day.